America, you are not about to believe what I'm about to show y'all. This is a Harley Davidson moment of silence. My friend hired a brother to take his bike apart and get ready for the paint. What I'm about to show y'all is what happens when you hire the wrong person. This was a complete FLHT in need of just a paint job. When the man came back in the afternoon, this is what he found. A stack of parts. I'm not saying the person who was involved was on drugs, but America, this is not how you want to come home and find your bike. Since then, the man who took the bike apart has went to jail for other unrelated issues, but the man clearly got wrench happy. He took apart stuff that was highly unnecessary to take apart, as if he was stripping the bike for unknown reasons. Swing arm, wheels. The bike is sitting on a crate, people. What the hell are we supposed to do with this? So, who do you think they called to solve the scenario? Me. Money's Car Stereo. I can tell y'all right now, it ain't gonna be cheap to bring this back. So, they called me because they know I'm gonna make it happen if the price is right. I ain't even put a price on it yet. Stay tuned. He asked me to document it because if he told anybody, you wouldn't believe it. Stay tuned, America. It's gonna be a long, drawn out battle. But if y'all know me, I play to win. Stay tuned. Money's Car Stereo. I'm out. Okay, the cleanup is done. We done tagged and bagged everything that bike related. Here's the wheels, all that stuff. So this is what my man was on. He was on some Patron, some high energy, some ginseng, some Mickeys, man, and a little bit of WD-40. So stay tuned, America. It's about to get real. Some days it ain't easy being Big Booty Rob. Bringing y'all a day and a week with Rob. Tuesday. Wheel bearings. Let's get it in. So the problem is the wheel hub itself. The wheel should not move this much. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Maybe we get back to making our USBs. Seems how people always ask me, Rob, what's up with the USBs? I gotta get back to it. Fresh hub installed, on to the finish line. That's how you fix, or should I say replace, a wheel hub. Just a day in life of me. It's just Tuesday. Hopefully I ain't got nothing to do tomorrow. Stay my butt in the house. We're gonna see. We out.